Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to show you one of my new idea for decoration or just jewelry. Also can be used like embellishment. Let's crochet lace cord ribbon. For this, make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. I draw seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make a chain of 3. Draw seed beads. Make half double crochet with seed beads. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make half double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Make the second one. 3. And make 3 half double crochet with seed beads into the 4th stitch. Let's count 1, 2, and 3. It is very simple to make. Then 3 half double crochet with seed beads into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Like this. Here what I have. Continue. Then I'm going to work with row without seed beads. Make a chain of 3. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3 half double crochet in a row. Make 3 half double crochet into the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then 3 half double crochet in a row. 1, 2, and 3. I leave the last stitch. My row is ready, then chain of 3. Turn the work. Now I'm going to work with row with seed beads. So I'm going to alternate with row with seed beads and without seed beads as many times as I need. I draw seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet 1, and make the second one into the next stitch, and make the third one into the next stitch, 3, then make 3 half double crochet into the 4th stitch, 1, 2, don't hurry up, and 3. Then 3 half double crochet in a row. Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. And I leave the last stitch. My row with beads is ready. Continue working on the next row, chain of 3, turn the work, and I'm going to work with yarn and stitch. Make half double crochet into the second stitch, 2 more in a row, 2, 3, make 3 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 3 half double crochet in a row, 1, 2, and 3, and I leave the last stitch. Continue chain of 3, turn the work, and work with row with seed beads. Let's look at my lace ribbon. So you should work in this way as many times as you need. Pattern consists of only 2 rows. One of them is with seed beads and another one is just simple row. As you can see, for this pattern you just need to know how to crochet half double crochet stitch. Let's look at my project. Here what I have at this point. And now I show you how to complete my lace cord ribbon. After I have done a row with seed beads, I have already cut off the yarn, and to secure the yarn by making a chain, pull a little bit. If you would like to make bracelet, necklace or belt, you should leave a long piece of yarn to create your jewelry or another accessories. So that's it, my project is ready. Let's look at my ready lace cord ribbon. This pattern consists of only 2 rows, one of them with seed beads and another one just with simple stitches. For this pattern you need to know how to crochet half double crochet stitch. For this project I used white color of yarn and different color of beads or seed beads. You can use any color of yarn and any kind of beads or seed beads. Also you can make such lace cord ribbon without seed beads. It will have great look. You can use such kind of lace ribbon to create belt, necklace, bracelet, choker or handband or accessories for hair or like a decoration for your home or car. Also you can put this cord to the main pattern, and another variation is an H using this pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. There are a lot of video tutorials with seed beads and just beads on this channel. The link on this playlist can be found in the description below this video. And for those who don't like beads, can be found a lot of ideas for summer or for home or for yourself using just ball of yarn and a crochet hook. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal. Bye!